Welcome to my channel Tech Geek. Today my topic is program counter and stack pointer. Program counter is a 16-bit register which is used to store the address of next memory location. That means it points or directs to the next instruction to be executed. Program counter always increments by 1. If a subroutine occurs at any point, then program counter stores the address of next memory location into the stack and then perform the subroutine. After completion of subroutine, it comes back to the stack. It takes the address of memory location which is already stored and perform the next instruction at that memory location. So here in the figure you can see, here is the program counter which always increments from first point to second, first step to second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step and so on. But here at fourth step, that is memory location 0056, a subroutine occurs, jump instruction occurs. Now PC has to go for that subroutine, also called as subprogram or a part of program, another program. So program counter will go for the subroutine, but before going to the subroutine, he will store the next memory address into a stack. The next memory address is 0057. This is 16-bit address which will get stored in a stack. Stack is a special purpose register which is also 16-bit register. It is a part of random access memory. After completion of this subroutine, again the program counter will come to stack, take the stored address and will come to the program here, next step, and will perform the instruction whatever the instruction is stored here. For example, move h, d. Now what program counter will do? He will come to stack and will store the address of that next memory location into the stack. A stack pointer is a 16-bit register which is used to store an address of current memory location called stack. Stack is a part of RAM. Two operations of the stack are push and pop. Stack always increments or decrements by 2. As it is 16-bit register and memory addresses are always 16-bit. It increments or decrements with the help of incrementer or decrementer. Here is the push operation. When data is filled into the stack, it is push operation. As the data pushed into the stack, the top of the stack is shown by stack pointer. It will be decreased by 2. Though that stack pointer will go high, but it will get decreased by 2. Another operation is pop operation. Here we can take out the elements stored in stack. But the elements are 16-bit, that is why at a time we can take out 2 elements. And as we can take out the 2 elements, stack pointer will get downside but will get increased. That means from 00005 to 0007. Means to take out element from the stack is the pop operation. Stack pointer will get increased by 2, though it will come down. Here in the figure you can see the stack before push operation. Before push operations, the elements were 0051, 0080 and stack pointer is at 0007. When you input some element, pushes elements here For example, 0057. Here the stack pointer will get at 0005. That means from 0007 to 0005. Though it will go high, but it will get decreases by 2. If you take out element from the stack, that is pop operation, at a time it will get incremented by 2. That means first of all stack pointer is at 0005 here, and now again it will come down. As it come down, but it will get increases, the address will get increases, that is 0007. And at a time stack will get increment or decrement by 2. That means obviously stack pointer will get increment or decrement by 2 at a time, because it is 16-bit register. Hope you understood this. Thank you.